main contribution on AVL is to be the main battery manufacturer. So we will assemble the batteries in our prototype workshop in AVL Italy. We are also contributing for an activity like design for assembly and design for manufacturing, and to, let's say, improve the design of the battery. In addition, we will collect information about dismantling and recyclability of material and of the battery in general, because as an engineering services provider for OEMs, we can propose these solutions to our customer in the future and be a kind of a step ahead in order to have future projects and business for us. So far, we have been working on supporting the development of work packages in design for assembly and design for manufacturing activities. In addition, we have prepared the documentation for tracking the components throughout their lifetime, not only during the assembly phase, but also later on during testing and dismantling and reassembly, which is one of our main tasks as a, let's say, procurement and logistical responsible of the MARBEL projects. When we design batteries for our customer, normally we take into account only the assemblability of the battery itself and the feasibility of the process, because this is the main target for our customer, because the production line is a big cost investment for them. If we can somehow introduce some techniques that could ease this process, definitely can be an advantage. On the other side, so far we do not consider dismantling as one of the main requirements or the target of our batteries, so they may come in the future. So for us to start to implement techniques for rapid dismantling could be also an advantage. Another point is recyclability. Many times OEMs evaluate the recyclability at vehicle level, not really a battery level, because lithium-ion batteries are not considered recyclable. So bringing know-how in this area could somehow also be an advantage in considering the overall recyclability level of the vehicle, and also represent for a customer or for our customer a different approach to batteries. So what I see very positive from the MARBEL project is that there is a good collaboration with the partner that operate in different areas. So I'm thinking about a completely different area of our business, so companies where we cannot be competitors, but we can, let's say, mutually exchange information and know-how in order to improve our business.